In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView for backtesting. Backtesting is all about practicing your strategy on past market data without seeing the future, so you can build confidence and spot weaknesses before risking real money. TradingView's replay feature makes this simple and realistic, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use it. First, enable the replay mode. Look at the top toolbar and click the replay button. You'll see your cursor change and a timeline handle appear. This tells TradingView you're about to jump back in time. Before you click anything else, choose the symbol and time frame you want to test, because your session will reflect those settings. If you use indicators, keep them on if they're part of your strategy, or hide them if you want a cleaner price-only test. Next, pick a starting candle. Click a point in the past on your chart where you want the test to begin. Instantly, the chart freezes from that moment, hiding everything to the right as if it hasn't happened yet. You can nudge your start point by dragging the vertical line left or right until it sits exactly where you want. Zoom in or out to get a comfortable view, and make sure you're not accidentally revealing future data by scrolling too far. Now, trade manually. Use the replay controls to move forward one candle at a time, or press play to advance automatically at a speed you can adjust. This is where discipline matters. Follow your rules and make clear decisions. Buy, sell, and where to place your stop loss and take profit. To visualize this cleanly, use the long position or short position tool from the left toolbar. Click to set your entry, then drag the red handle to your stop and the green handle to your target. This gives you immediate feedback on risk to reward and helps you stay consistent. Resist the urge to peek ahead or change rules mid-trade. If your stop gets hit, accept it and move on to the next setup. If your target is reached, log the result. Keep brief notes directly on the chart or in a journal. Why you entered, where you placed SL and TP, and what the outcome was. Consistency in how you size trades and set exits is key to meaningful results. When you're done with a session, scroll back through your trades on the frozen chart and review them. Then exit replay to return to the live view. That's it. Enable replay, pick your start, and step through candle by candle while placing buys, sells, and clear SL and TP. With practice, you'll build a reliable feel for your strategy under real market conditions.